Tutulungan kita makaalis ng bansa, lalo na kung through study visa or digital nomad visa. I will try to help you leave this country. Gusto mong malaman ano yung mga requirements for studying abroad or kung eligible ka to apply for a digital nomad visa, or pwede ka pa bang mag-career shift at your age, or yung sa background mo kung pwede kang mag-take ng another course, or kung ano yung country na nagbe-best fit sa goals mo and sa career plans mo. I will tell you all of that, lalo na pag magbuka ng consultation with me. Pero let's be honest, kailangan natin ng funds para matuloy yung study abroad plans natin. Like, kailangan natin magbayad ng tuition, kailangan din natin ng show money, and also with DNB, kailangan meron kang minimum income requirement. So while we are waiting or working towards that goal na makapag-ipon or may mabago sa circumstances natin bago tayo makaalis ng bansang to, I'm encouraging everyone to become a better citizen. Like, tayo yung nagsasuffer ngayon sa ginawa natin or sa mga binoto natin noong nakaraang eleksyon. So sana ma-realize natin that we have the power to change the government. We have the power to make this country a better place, and it starts by educating ourselves kung sino dapat yung karapat-dapat nating iboto sa susunod na eleksyon. Sana natuto na tayo, guys, please.